Okay, roasted potatoes. They look all right, right? What do you think?
It's good.
They do, right?
Yeah.
You know, I should have a big enough heart just to think like, you know, I want her to succeed. You know, the best, what is it? The best revenge is leading a good life or being happy or something. What is it? Do you know the saying?
I know what you're going for. I don't remember the exact wording.
Right. Everyone says the best revenge is living well. And learn that the best revenge is indeed just living well. Hey, huh? Who's living well? That's right. We want to jack this up to 500. I just put some salt on both sides. Got the meat at room temperature. Salted up. I got a good, beautiful cast iron pan that I've seasoned meticulously, compulsively. Throw the whole pan in. If you don't want to fuck up your meat, use a meat thermometer. 120 degrees in the middle for rare, 125 for medium rare. Once you pull it out of the oven, steak continues to cook and might add up to 5 degrees. So I'm going to stick the thermometer in, and when it hits like 118, I'm taking it out. Get your burner on high. Get your mind focused. Get a pot holder. Take your 500 degree cast iron pan. Put it on the high heat. Steak. 2 minutes on each side. That's great. It's beautiful. Everything is good. I have so many things to be grateful for. 1, that I'm not that cow. 2, I have my health. 3, nicotine exists. 4, I'm still sexually capable. 5, my brain works fine. 6, I enjoy things sometimes. 7, I'm not that cow again. And 8, we're going to eat that. Flip it. So, just getting ready to put that in the oven. All right. Ow, ow, ow. All right. Let's do this. Put it back in the 500 degree oven. Maybe if I could take it off the hot thing. And we wait. And we watch the thermometer. I got the alarm on, so we'll see. It doesn't take that much. It's a 500 degree oven. The waiting is the hardest part. You know who said that? Tom Petty. He wasn't talking about meat, though. You can see how quickly it's cooking. See, I panicked a little bit. Some potatoes. It's gonna be a nice plate, man. It's gonna be a nice plate. All right, you ready to do it?
Yep.
Oh, shit! Buddy. That's rawer than I usually eat it, but it's good. It's beautiful. She can have whatever she wants.